All right, hey guys, OFD checking in here, and today we have another unboxing from Phoibos. So I just got this watch in literally just moments ago, and I'm going to do the unboxing. I won't do a full review because I haven't spent enough time with this watch. But again, another, what I think is going to be a home run for Phoibos. So let's go ahead and get the box open and check this one out. So get the tape cut here. And back there, I think that should do it. Pull this thing open. I'm assuming it looks like standard boxing from Phoibos that they do. Pop the top here. Yep. I like the fact that they keep using the standard boxes and nothing too fancy there, because I think it allows them to get watches out to us a lot quicker. So here we go, the standard Phoibos covered box with their logo on top. Very nice boxes they make here. And this is going to be what I'm calling the Apollo 2, because it's like the second iteration. Well, I don't know if I said that right, of the Apollo watch. But so really cool, all your standard Phoibos information. You guys have seen this before. And what do we have here? We have some curved spring bars. That's interesting. I don't think I've ever received curved spring bars from them before, but that must have to do with the bracelet on this watch. So this is the Apollo. I'm calling it the Apollo 2 because if you guys watch my channel, you know I had the first one here on the channel, which was actually a titanium watch. Now this is stainless steel, a lot bulkier, totally different dial layout on this one. Bezel looks similar, bezel knurling looks similar and stuff, but let's go ahead and peel the tape off of this one. Again, just a real quick unboxing here, guys. I wanted to show you this one. I need to spend a little bit of time with it to really kind of get to know it, but we might as well de-sticker this thing here together on the channel. That works there. And that's usually the easiest part. The hardest part is usually getting the bracelet plastic off of there. Let me take a second and peel the plastic off this bracelet, and we'll take a real quick look at it. But again, just a quick unboxing video. I love this 8 o'clock crown over here. I've never seen that besides on a Citizen watch, so I think that's pretty cool. But let me get the tape off the bracelet. We'll take a real quick look at it, and then stay tuned to the channel for a full review coming soon. All right, so here she is with all the plastic off. Very cool looking watch. I love the handset on this watch. We'll talk more about that. Bracelet looks really good, but yeah, just kind of a quick look-see on this one. I don't want to give you guys too much because I want to do the full review on the watch, but there it is. If you guys haven't seen the new Phoibos Apollo, definitely a cool watch. Stay tuned for the full review. Should be coming within a week or so. So, all right, guys, thanks for tuning in.